The pace of India's growth has been catalyzed under PM Modi's rapid infrastructure development projects lined up one after the other. When Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, people across the country would hear of its smooth highways, 24 hours power even in villages, reliable water supply and health infrastructure.
हमारे देश में गरीब व्यक्ति की एक पहचान है, वो हवाई चप्पल पहनता है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि हवाई जहाज में हवाई चप्पल वाले लोग दिखाई दे।
Modi got the Sardar Sarovar Dam completed and also the Narmada main canal, getting Narmada waters to borders of Rajasthan and far-flung Kutch. The underground pipeline network would take the water to over 100 towns and 6,000 villages. The Jyotigram scheme had brought 24 hours, 3-phase power to all the villages.
हिंदुस्तान के बड़े-बड़े शहरों में भी 24 घंटे बिजली उपलब्ध नहीं है, लेकिन गुजरात एक प्रदेश है जिसने एक नया इतिहास निर्माण करने का प्रयास किया है। न सिर्फ शहरों को, लेकिन दूर सुदूर गांवों में भी, जंगलों में रहने वाले लोगों को भी 24 घंटे 3 फेज अनइंटरप्टेड पावर पहुंचाने के लिए इस ज्योतिग्राम योजना का जन्म हुआ।
There was equal focus on social infrastructure like Anganwadis, school enrollment, healthcare facilities like primary health centers, and new buildings for courts and police housing.
Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
So, when Modi took over as Prime Minister in 2014, it was natural that he would think in terms of upgrading overall infrastructure scene of India. Some big-ticket projects that had been moving at a snail's pace were fast-tracked. The Atal Tunnel, the Chenab Railway Bridge, the Zojila Tunnel, the Pamban Bridge and the Bogibeel Bridge are all examples of the Modi government's big infrastructure push. Under the Modi government, the overall passenger experience was improved by bringing a new never-before focus on cleanliness of stations and trains, introduction of new first-ever innovations like the Tejas Express, Vista Dome coaches, and making Wi-Fi available in both the stations and in moving trains. The Roads and Highways Ministry under Nitin Gadkari has been overseeing the fastest ever highways construction in the history of India at about 29.81 kilometers per day. In fact, India now holds the world record for the fastest road construction when NHAI entered the Guinness Book of World Records for building a 2.5 kilometer stretch of a 4-lane concrete highway in just 24 hours. The focus has also been on border roads infrastructure to strengthen national security. Building dedicated freight corridors and defense corridors is a part of the initiative. The Prime Minister has showed a single-minded determination for building India's first high-speed rail, a bullet train connecting Ahmedabad to Mumbai, which has started taking shape very fast. Replicating the Gujarat model, we have seen how the Modi government implemented the Gram Jyoti Yojana to get power supply to each and every village by 2018 and then to each home in the country.
જ્યોતિગ્રામથી ગામડાઓને વીજળી 24 કલાક ઉપલબ્ધ કરાવી, ગામડાઓને ભાગતા સરકારશ્રીએ બચાવી લીધા છે. શહેરમાંથી જે ગ્રામ યુવાને સિટી તરફ જે દોટ મેલી હતી એ આજે ગામમાં રોકાવા પ્રેરિત થયો છે. સાથે સાથે એ પણ હું કહીશ કે આજે ગામડાનો એક વિદ્યાર્થી, ગામડાની કોઈ દીકરી આઈએએસ કે કલેક્ટર બની શકે, કારણ કે જેને સ્કૂલમાં ભણાવવામાં આવે છે એ ઘરે આવીને એનું પુનરાવર્તન કરી શકે છે. ગામડાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સિટીના વિદ્યાર્થીઓની કોમ્પિટિશનમાં ઊભા રહી શકે છે માત્ર ને માત્ર રાત્રે 24 કલાક લાઇટ મળવાથી.
Realizing that many infrastructure projects are joint center-state ones, Modi started the Pragati conferences, where once a month he would sit with his team and connect via video link with chief secretaries of all states and clear the bottlenecks.
अफसर लेवल पे इन्वॉल्व है और ये कोई किसी पे थोप नहीं सकता।
The infrastructure push has now been taken to the next level with the National Infrastructure Pipeline, launched for the period 2019 to 2025. It's a first of its kind whole-of-government approach to give India world-class infrastructure. A total of 7,000 projects, each above 100 crore rupees, with a total investment of about 100 lakh crores. To understand the scale, this is about 1.5 trillion US dollars. To put it in perspective, India is on a road for a big infrastructure upgrade. Bureau Report, Republic TV.